So if you've been wanting to fly STARLUX in economy, premium economy, or their award-winning business class, stick around because today I'm going to walk you step by step how to book STARLUX using points and how the value compares to paying cash. I'll break down award pricing, the best way to earn Alaska miles, and how to find safer availability. First, let's start with where STARLUX actually flies in the United States. Starting January 15th, 2026, STARLUX will launch Phoenix as their newest US route, flying 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. They also fly from Ontario, California 4 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. And then there are major hubs like LAX, SFO, and SeaTac, which all operate daily. All of these routes are bookable using Alaska Airlines miles. Phoenix is the only one that's over 7,000 miles, which places it in a higher award pricing band, so it will cost a little bit more. The aircraft that STARLUX use for these US routes is their flagship Airbus A350-900. The first class and business class features a private suite in a 1-to-1 configuration. Premium economy is set at a 2-4-2 layout, and the economy uses a 3-3-3 layout. For cash fare, these routes typically start around 700 plus round trip for economy, 1,800 plus for premium economy, and about 5,000 plus for business class. And again, these are round trip. Alaska Airlines prices award flights based on distance. So here's the breakdown of STARLUX routes and what they cost if you're booking with miles. For Seattle, San Francisco, LAX, and Ontario to Taiwan, Taipei, one way, it will be 37,500 miles for economy, 50,000 miles for premium economy, and 75,000 miles for business class. For Phoenix to Taipei one way, or vice versa, a distance of more than 7,000 miles, so it will cost a little bit more. For economy, it will be 42,500 miles. And then premium economy will be 55,000 miles and 250,000 miles for business class. So this 250,000 miles is the non-saver cost. If you're lucky, for this route, you will find 85,000 miles instead of the 250,000 miles. Using cash, it will be about $400 for economy, $1,200 for premium economy, and about $3,500 and above for business class. And the flight will be about 15 hours plus, non-stop. STARLUX has become one of the most sought-after redemption on Alaska Airlines because their product is so good. Saver awards in business class are extremely limited. So here's what you need to know. STARLUX usually release 1 Saver award seats per flight early on. So once this seat is taken, the price for the next booking would be 175,000 miles. If you see a Saver award, I would book it ASAP. So if you're traveling as a couple, you may not be able to find 2 seats at 75,000 miles or 85,000 miles. You might be able to book one, but then the other one will have to be paying a full non-saver award. But don't worry, more seats usually appear within 14 days of departure, aka the T-14 window. So within this 14-day period, STARLUX often release additional business class award seats close to the travel date. So last-minute travelers sometimes get lucky, or if your plans are flexible, you can check Alaska Airlines website every day during the 2 weeks before your ideal date. That's when Saver Award seats are most likely to appear. I was able to book STARLUX business class from Taipei to Seattle for my wife and I. One at 75,000 miles, which is the Saver Award, and the other one at 175,000 miles, the non-Saver Award. I was not able to find a cheaper Saver Award ones within the 14-day period, so I was unlucky for that route that I was flying. But your mileage may vary. And honestly, the flight was amazing. Super smooth, great seats, service was amazing. It felt closer to a first class service comparable to Singapore Airlines. So I'll be releasing a full STARLUX flight review from Taipei to Seattle. So stay tuned for that and subscribe. So booking these flights using points is fairly straightforward. Go on Alaska website, select one way, enter your route and date. Make sure you check on use points and flexible dates. That way you can see everything in a calendar view. Now click search. You will see pricing for the whole month. The green number means the lowest cost. By default, Alaska shows the lowest price available. So if you want to filter by fare type, click on the drop down and choose what you want. Let's look at Partner Premium as an example. Pick a date, then click on View Flights. From there, you can see the details and choose your cabin. And then you can add to your cart. Simple as that. So how do you earn Alaska Airlines miles? And if you want to use it for STARLUX? Earning Alaska Airline miles can be tricky because Alaska is not a transfer partner for Chase, Amex, or Citi. So the easiest way would be Alaska Airline Atmos credit cards. These just launched a few months ago. If you want a direct way of earning Alaska Airline points or miles, then just grab the cards. If you have the Hawaiian Airlines credit card, you can also earn Hawaiian Airlines points and transfer it to Alaska Airlines. And of course, flying on Alaska Airlines or their partners, when you book through the Alaska website, will earn you miles as well. And for transferring, there are two ways to transfer to Alaska Airlines. The first one is Bilt. Using Bilt, you can transfer at a 1-to-1 ratio. Another one would be Marriott Bonvoy at 3-to-1 ratio. Not the best value, but useful if you want to top off some points. So we don't have any referral links for the Alaska's new Atmos cards, but we do have other credit card offers that you might find useful. You can check them out on our website, and I will have the link in the description below. So that's how you book STARLUX using points across economy, premium economy, and business class. So which cabin would you choose? Would you save your miles for business class or go for a premium economy for better availability? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone that's planning a trip to Asia, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.